Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that they are expecting a crowd of almost 1.5 lakh for Narendra Modi's mega convention. 1,000 buses from state and around 200 buses from neighbouring states are roped in to ferry people. Around 90,000 entry coupons have already been purchased by Janta till now. Meanwhile, Young Brigade of the BJP has launched registration drive in Panji and around on a large scale.
समोर 30,000 लोकांक बसपाक हे परमिशन दिले. 1,000 बसीस ऑलरेडी बुक जाल्या -3. 3 बसी आमी अप्रोच जावन ना. सेक्युरिटी सगळी व्यवस्था जाल्ली आसा. कोण कोण येता? पार्किंग व्यवस्था जाल्ली आहा. राजनाथ सिंग आनी मोदी दोग जाण अडवाणी येता. कितले एकाच वेळार टॉपिक
आणि हेवूय येतले कर्नाटकांतल्यान महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान लागींचे लोक येतले.
आमी आपण थोडे स्पोरेडिक मे बी 500 people can come if they we have not even the vehicles which are being hired from Karnataka is not for people from Karnataka. It is for people from Kankon and Kepe and या साइडीक मांद्रे पेडणे. 150-200 बशी कारण बशी गोंयांत कंपनी दोन्ही आमी 100-200 अशे घेतले भाड्याक कमी पडटात ते. वी एक्सपेक्ट अबाउट 8,000 to 10,000 cars and 2 wheelers. टार्गेट आमचे 1 लाख आसा पण म्हज्या हिशोबान 1,50,000 पर्यंत वचूंक शकता.
Modi's entry coupons are charged at 5 rupees per entry slip. BJP had printed 1,50,000 coupons. Till now 90,000 coupons have been purchased. Meanwhile, Young Brigade of BJP is on a registration campaign. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The District and Sessions Court has heard bail petition of former editor of Tehelka Tarun Tejpal. The hearing will continue on Friday. Tejpal is behind bars for more than a month allegedly for raping a lady journalist in his organization.
The hearing on bail plea of rape accused Tarun Tejpal resumed on Tuesday before the District and Session Judge Anuja Prabhudesai. On the request of Defence Counsel, the court allowed to argue the matter in camera. Accused Tarun Tejpal was present before the court as per the previous order. The court also allowed wife and daughter of Tarun Tejpal to be present during in-camera hearing. Tarun Tejpal is facing the charge of raping a lady journalist of his office during Think Festival, organized in hotel in Goa in November last year. Tejpal was arrested by Goa Crime Branch on November 30th and is presently lodged in Sada Jail at Vasco. The argument on Tejpal's bail could not be complete on Tuesday, hence the court adjourned the hearing till Friday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
108 ambulance paramedical staff has deferred their strike for another 15 days. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to resolve their issues within 15 days. 108 ambulance service management met CM on Tuesday. Union leader Hridaynath Shirodkar said they would stall 108 ambulances in the state if their demands are not fulfilled within a fortnight.
Last month, 108 ambulance paramedical staff has served prior notice to CM and management. The notice read that the staff would go on strike on 7th January, stalling ambulance services in Goa. Their main demand in disbursement of salaries.
त्या मिटिंगेन असो निर्णय जालो की मॅनेजमेंटान इमिजिएटली सगळ्यांचो पेमेंट स्टॉप केल्लो आसा, पेमेंट रिलीज करचो. दुसरें म्हटल्यार हॅरेसमेंट जे मॅनेजमेंट करता आसत ते हॅरेसमेंट इमिजिएटली स्टॉप करचें. आनी तिसरें म्हटल्यार स्टेटस को मेंटेन करचो. जो फाटलो रोस्टर आसतलो, फाटले टर्म्स एंड कंडिशन्स ऑफ सर्वीस जे आशिल्ले तेच टर्म्स एंड कंडिशन्स जे सर्विसाचे आसा ते फॉलो करचे आनी नवीन रोस्टर जो आसा तो फाटी घेवचो अशी सीएमान ऑर्डर दिल्ली आसा. त्याच बरोबर सीएमान सांगिल्लें आसा की 15 दिसां भितर तुमचो सगळो प्रॉब्लम जो आसा रिगार्डिंग पेमेंट आसतलो, सर्वीस कंडिशन्स आसतले, वर्किंग अवर्स आसतले, सगळे इश्यूज जे आसा ते आपूण 15 दिसां भितर सेटल करता. तोपर्यंत आमकां तेंच्यांनी रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली आसा की स्ट्रायकार वचचें न्ही. पब्लीक इमर्जन्सी सर्वीस आसल्या कारणान ही व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट सर्वीस आसा. काणकोणचो इश्यू तेंच्यांनी आमकां सांगिल्लो आसा. ताका लागून सगळ्या वर्करांनी ठरयल्लें आसा की इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ पब्लीक एट लार्ज हे युनियन जे आसा तेंच्यांनी हो स्ट्रायक डिफर केल्लो आसा टील 15 फुडले 15 दीस पर्यंत. फुडल्या 15 दिसान जर मॅनेजमेंट आनी गव्हर्मेंट जर हे सगळे इश्यूज सेटल करना, आमचो चार्टर ऑफ डिमांड सेटल करना आसत जाल्यार वर्करांनी अशें ठरयल्लें आसा की ज्या दिसाक मिटींग सोंपतली त्या दिसा पासून आमी इफ वी आर नॉट सॅटिस्फायड आमी स्ट्रायकार वतले.
South Goa MP Francisco Sadina says government should take medical staff seriously.
the government should be serious and conscientious of the needs of these small people or citizens of this state, maybe the government servants, and they should be paid on time.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had a meeting with the union leader and the management of 108 ambulance services on Tuesday. The staff had warned stopping ambulance services if their demands are not fulfilled within 15 days. Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It is not enough to work hard, but equally important to work smartly. This is what founder of Mastech Jan14 Desai said at the 26th Annual Convocation Day at Goa University. Entrepreneur of Goan origin said Goa is an example of other states for having 70% women having excelled in educational field.
We have still not used the full power of half of our population. I am talking of women. I am looking forward to in India, we leverage power of women to see what India we want to see. And I am very happy to note today, and I don't know whether you have noticed, I was happy that Goa, and I am very proud that Goan is taking lead in that out of 99 persons who got award today or gold medal and PhDs, 70 were ladies. So 70% is something more creditable, but they are just 50%. So I am very proud that we have set that direction, and I am sure whole India will follow us.
As you progress in life and take the challenges that lie ahead, you will remember this landmark day as an event that marks society's recognition of your ability to learn and your hard work and perseverance.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.